Okay, those were my banana coins in my 10-inch graham cracker crust. We are just gonna place this to the side and bring in our measuring cup or any microwave safe container. And we have our semi-sweet chocolate chips. And I have about 3/4 a bag that I'm using. And then we're gonna grab our Skippy creamy peanut butter and a cookie scoop. And we are gonna scoop about 4 scoops of our peanut butter right into our measuring cup with those chocolate chips. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be delicious. If you love bananas, if you love chocolate, and if you love peanut butter, you're gonna love this. We're popping this into the microwave for 30-second increments until it is fully melted. All right, this took 1 minute and 30 seconds to completely melt, and we're instantly going to drizzle this over our bananas in our graham cracker crust. Oh, the scents that are coming from this easy no-bake dessert are phenomenal. I smell those bananas, I smell the crust, I smell the chocolate, I smell the peanut butter. I'm so excited to be sharing this dessert with you because it has all of my favorite things in it. And I'm just gonna make sure we get this completely emptied onto our bananas. Okay, got that all out, and now we're just smoothing it into our pie crust. Oh yeah, this is gonna be absolutely delicious. I think that's as good as we're going to get. It should end up as a nice little ganache texture, but we are gonna go ahead and pop this in the fridge while we make our next step. All right, we have our medium bowl and our whisk now, and I'm gonna come in with a measuring cup, and we need about 2.5 cups of cold milk. I am using whole milk, but you can use whatever kind of milk you prefer. 1, 2, and then a quick half. Perfect. All right, now that we have our milk in there, I have my vanilla instant pudding mix, and this is the 5.1 ounce. And we're gonna put that whole entire box right into our milk. Now you can use a cheesecake, a French vanilla, or a banana cream pudding, but I feel like vanilla will just really go nicely with that chocolate, peanut butter, banana vibe we have going. And I am just whisking this together. We wanna make sure that we don't have any little chunks of powder in our mixture. So we're gonna whisk this up until it gets a little bit thick, and then this will be ready for our no-bake pie.
It smells so good.
Oh yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, and this has thickened up. I took out our pie crust. It was only in there for like 2 minutes, but we are going to, okay, we're just kind of getting that right on top. Don't worry, we will spread it out the best our ability. But we want to make sure that we get all of that pudding onto our pie. All right, perfect. Now with this one, you want to make sure that all of the bananas get covered, because if they're not covered, they will brown and get like yucky. We want to make sure that they stay contained and they don't have any air touching them, but we are just slowly and surely spreading out our vanilla pudding. And you can do a homemade graham cracker crust or homemade pudding, but we wanted this to be super easy, something everyone could recreate. But we're just being nice and gentle so that we don't pull up that chocolate layer. All right, this is gonna go back into the fridge until it is fully solidified, and then we'll give it some decorations. All right, we had this in the fridge for about 30 minutes. It is time to top this with our Ready Whip. Now you could obviously do a homemade whipped cream, or you could do some Cool Whip, but let's go ahead and add little dollops right on top. Obviously the dogs love Ready Whip. Beautiful. And then one last touch, we have some nut topping that we are going to sprinkle on the edge as well. And look how cute that is.
Super cute.
And you can even add some more bananas on top or some chocolate chips, but I think this is how I'm going to leave it. All right, it is time to cut into this baby and see what we got going in there. Oh, look at that! Yummy! And you can even see it better in there, all those layers. Look at that. Okay, you know what time it is. Best time of the day.
Tasting time.
Tasting time. Oh, that ganache hardened so perfect.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Wow. Frozen cream.